I'm over here about to be roasting Eli from the place because he pissed me off by using my videos without my permission. Okay. I fucking get it now. You actually want me to make me jealous. I fucking get it now. You actually want me to make me fucking jealous. Nah. You better shut.
I'm still unharmed.
What are you doing in my videos? Don't even make noises to these. That's all blazing. We asshole. Make it be into whole boy. That's all. We asshole. Talking about that you didn't do anything. Boy, you disrespected me. Something's wrong with you, boy. Shut up. Never speak to me again. And you thought I was done? That was round one. Shut your ugly ass. What's up, bro? I don't care. Please, I'm so sorry, bro. I know what the fuck you talking about, boy. Please, I'm so sorry, bro. Shut your ugly ass up. What's up, boy? What the fuck is wrong with you? Shut your jazz up. What's up, boy? Look at this schoolboy. Shut your jazz up. What's up, boy? I don't even know what the fuck you talking about, bro. Shut up, boy. Looking ugly has a head, boy.